Friends, how are you? I thought you are fine. आज का लेसन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट है नो एंड ग्रो विद डेल बुक का। मैंने मैंने सारे चैप्टर वाइज पढ़ाए हैं 1 2 3 4 5। आज का चैप्टर 6 है द वर्ल्ड ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट। चलो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का चैप्टर। A traditional martial art from Japan emphasizes throwing, embellishing and pinning, joint blocking, straggling techniques. जूजित्सु जूजित्सु है जो मैंने आपको अभी बताए हैं, उनके प्लेयर हैं। अब हम जूजित्सु के बारे में बताते हैं आपको। Jujitsu, also known as Jiu-Jitsu, and Jiu-Jitsu is a family of Japanese martial arts and a system of close combat that can be used in defensive or offensive manner to kill or subdue one or more weaponless or armed and armored opponents. Second is our full contact sport in which one can kick and box. Its almost well-known exponent is Jean-Claude Van Damme. Kickboxing. Kickboxing is stand-up contact sport based on kicking and punching, historical, developed from karate mixed and with boxing. Kickboxing is practiced of self-defense, general fitness, or as contact sports. Japanese kickboxing originated in the late 1950s with competition held self-them. Third is our kendo, a Japanese form of fencing with bamboo sticks, meaning way of the swords. Kendo. Kendo is a modern Japanese martial art descended from swordmanship that uses bamboo swords as well as protective armor. Today, it is widely practiced within Japan and has spread to many other nations across the world. Fourth is our modern martial art from Korea, characteristic by fast, high and spinning kicks. Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a famous name of martial arts. Taekwondo or Taekwondo is an Korean martial art characteristic by punching and kicking techniques with emphasis on head height kicks, jump into spinning kicks and fast kicking techniques. The liked translations for Taekwondo is kicking, punching, and the art of way. Fifth is our professional warrior, belong to Japanese feudal military era Trosei, trained in the art of sword fighting. Samurai. Samurai were the military nobility and officers caste of medieval and early modern Japan from the 12th century to their abolition in the 1870s. They were the well-paid maintainers of the daimyo. They had high prestige and special privileges such as wearing two swords. Sixth is our, it means gentle way and is modern Japanese martial art and one of the two martial arts that is Olympic discipline, Judo. Judo is generally categorized as a modern Japanese martial art which has since involved about in Olympic event. The sport was created in 1882 by Taekwondo as a physical, mental and moral pedagogy in Japan. Seventh is our Aikido. It's a form self-defense introduced by Morihei Ueshiba that uses combinations of Jiu-Jitsu and karate techniques. Aikido. Aikido is a modern Japanese martial art that is split into many different styles, including Iwama, Rya, Shin, Shin, Eiki, Shurain, Kai, Shedkon, Akido, Yosin Kai, Akido, and Ki Akido. Akido is now practiced in around 140 countries. जो ये Akido है इसके 4-5 नाम हैं अलग अलग जो मैंने आपको बताए. Chom Ryo, Chom Shinshin, Eiki Shuren Kai, Shadon Akido, Yoshin Kin, Akido, Ki Akido, Akido. Akido इसका रियल नेम है पर 6 इसके जो अदर नेम है वो अलग अलग नेम है, अलग डिफरेंट नेम्स. जैसे आप लोगों के भी होते हैं कई. मेरा जैसे कि कुणाल पर्सनल मतलब कुणाल मेरा नेम है, मैं उसको कृष्ण घर में कृष्णा भी बोलते हैं हमको. फिर कराटे. कराटे इज अ मार्शल आर्ट डेवलप्ड इन द Ryubai kingdom. It developed from the indigenous martial under the influence of Kung Fu, particularly Zhujian White Crane. Ninth is our an ancient Chinese martial art made popular by Shaolin monks, Kung Fu. Kung Fu, Chinese martial art often called by the umbrella terms Kung Fu, Wushu, Wushu, or several hundred fighting styles that had developed over the countries in Greater China. These fighting styles often classified according to common traits identified and families of martial art. तो दोस्तों आज का लेसन इधर ही खत्म होता है. वीडियो देखने के बाद लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें. ओके गाइज, बाय गाइज, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ.